Find string between two substrings. How do I find a string between two substrings? 123 string ABC, string? My current method is like this. However, this seems very inefficient and unPythonic. What is a better way to do something like this? Forgot to mention, the string might not start and end with start and end. They may have more characters before and after.
Gives. I thought it should be noted, depending on what behavior you need, you can mix index and rindex calls or go with one of the above versions. It's equivalent of regex, and, question mark, groups.
Gives.
Just converting the op's own solution into an answer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.